Hi friend, hi, how are you? I hope you are doing great. So today we are going to discuss it's a very important topic. The first topic is how we can learn the basic English. The who really want to start their career in this, so how they can learn. You know, first you need to try yourself. You just try to talk yourself. If the person who saying speaking in Hindi, like anything, if they asking to you, that the thing you just try to understand what is the meaning of that in English. You try to observe the thing on daily basis, daily routine happening, anything, like if you are going to market, you are buying anything, if you are going to your friend place, if you are going for play, if you're watching movie, so how do you say? You just try to understand those things. These things you have to do at least 30 days, and after that you little bit you realize, okay, I can understand the basic English. I'm not be able to speak, that is fine. At least I can understand the what people are saying. I'm not saying 100% understanding you need to complete, no. At least 60 to 70% understanding you complete for all those activities in daily routine. And the time after 30 days, you need to try to speak yourself. I'm not saying you go to anybody, you just call anybody, you just try to talk to your friend. I'm not saying anything like that. You just try to speak yourself first. And this activity you just try to do 15 to 30 days also. You just try to speak yourself. You just try to speak front of the mirror. You just try to speak, video recording. You just record your video and watch your video, then you realize where you did mistake, and then you correct yourself. So this exercise you need to do like 15 to 30 days. It is really going to work for you, because a lot of people, I believe they are doing like that. That is why I'm just trying to help you, and I'm also doing somewhere, I'm also learning. I'm not fluent, I'm not a perfect in English communication, so somewhere I'm also learning. And friends, I'm telling you, if you are doing like that, very soon you can speak at least basic English, you can speak. That is the thing. The second thing is proactively practice on daily basis, showing courage. It's also mandatory. Don't scared about that. Don't scare, I'm not be able to learn English, I'm not be able to speak English. Don't scared about this. You just try to play with that. If you are playing with that, it's come automatically. You don't need to worry about anything. Showing courage, it's also important. If you are not curious to learn, it is really not possible to learn, because we all are speaking Hindi since childhood. So it is somewhere, it is difficult is there, but it's really not possible. We can do it. If we are thinking in mind, I can do it, it is possible. If we are thinking, yeah, it really not possible, I try a lot the various thing, but it is not going to work for me, so it is somewhere, it is really not work for me, so I'm not going to do and more exercise. So don't think like that. Don't think like that. It is happen. If you are trying on daily basis, it is happen. It is really not happen tomorrow, it is really not happen after 10 days, but sometime after some time, if you keep practicing on daily basis, it really true, it's happened. That is wasn't such a big deal. ये इतनी बड़ी बात नहीं है, बस आप प्रैक्टिस तो करो. प्रैक्टिस करोगे ऑटोमेटिकली ऑटोमेटिकली आपको बोलना आएगा. And you just try to, if you are a basic, just you try to observe the tense also, because I'm not saying you have to go in deeply and you have to obey all those things. I'm not saying anything like that. I'm just saying you just understand what is the meaning of present tense, what is the meaning of past tense, and what is the meaning of future tense, and how it is work like that. If you are understand those things, very soon you can speak. I'm not saying you can speak fluently, but now it is really not possible. Maybe after some time you can speak fluently. It is happen automatically. When you understand, it is happen. Though another thing is, एक बोलते हैं ना कि आपको थोड़ा सा इंग्लिश आता है, जैसे सपोज आपको थोड़ा सा यू अंडरस्टैंड लिटिल बिट, यू कैन स्पीक ऑल्सो लिटिल बिट, यू कैन मैनेज, यू जस्ट मैनेज द थिंग. इफ यू आर गोइंग समवेयर, you just try to speak, you just understand them, and you will also understand. That is fine. You can also do one thing, you just go there, the people are really not understand it, there people are not speak properly, like they are not speak like baby step also. You go there, बोलते हैं ना अंधों में काना राजा, तो वहां पे आप जाके उनको बताओगे, उनसे बात करोगे, तो ऑटोमेटिक आपका कॉन्फिडेंस धीरे 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 बढ़ेगा. ये तो कुछ नहीं जानते हैं, ऐसा फील होगा आपके माइंड में कि ये कुछ नहीं जानते हैं, मैं जो जानता हूं वो मैं ही जानता हूं. तो आपके अंदर से फील आएगा, तो ऑटोमेटिक कॉन्फिडेंस जो होगा वो आपका बढ़ता चला जाएगा. ऑटोमेटिक ये बढ़ता चला जाएगा कॉन्फिडेंस, धीरे 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 आपका कॉन्फिडेंस ऑफ पे हो जाएगा, पूरा टॉप लेवल पे आ जाएगा. गाइस, द लास्ट थिंग इज अ स्पीकिंग टेस्ट. हाउ यू कैन नो वेयर आई एम? या इट इज ट्रू. हाउ यू कैन चेक yourself, where are you? You can do one thing, you just do the interview in any company, random interview, just post your resume in naukri.com, anywhere. If you just get a call, and then if you crack your interview, you will get an opportunity, and they force you to join, you will get an offer letter, and then you realize something I achieved, and something I learned. Now I can get whatever I want. Now I can go wherever I want to go. So that's the thing, it's happened. You can check easily yourself. As per my understanding, maybe you have some own thought, you can check through other way also. So whatever is possible, you just do it, you check yourself, because it is really important somewhere. If you know where are you, then you realize what you need to do for next level. It is really mandatory. So guys, this is all for today, and we will meet you in another video with another interesting topic. Till the time, take care, bye bye. Or if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. It is really going to help you somewhere. Thanks a lot, and thank you for support, and thanks for watching me. Take care.